Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy watching and want more, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple, helpful, and easy to understand. Let's jump in.
To increase the font size in Apple Mail on your Mac, you need to open the Mail app first. Click on the Mail menu at the top left of your screen and select Settings. Inside the Settings window, look for the tab labeled Fonts and Colors. Here you will see options for the message list font and the message text font. Click the Select button next to the font you want to change. A small window will appear where you can pick a larger size from the list. This change will apply to all the emails you read and write on your computer. If you want to zoom in quickly while reading a specific email, just press the Command and plus keys at the same time. To zoom out, press Command and minus. Changing the font size on an iPhone or iPad works a little differently because it uses system-wide settings. Open the Settings app on your home screen and scroll down to tap on Accessibility. Next, tap on Display and Text Size. Select larger text and turn on the switch for larger accessibility sizes. You can then use the slider at the bottom to make the text as big as you need. This will change the text size across your whole device, including the Mail app. If you only want to change the size for composing messages, go back to the main settings menu and select Mail. Tap on Default Font to pick a style and size that works for you. These simple steps ensure your emails are always easy to read whenever you check your mailbox.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.